Hello, my name is Navia, and my app is called PDetect. PDetect is an AI tool-based web app that can detect if one is suffering from Parkinson's disease using hand-drawn spiral images. Here are some of the many symptoms of Parkinson's disease, and in my app, I choose to diagnose hand tremors. Hand tremors are one of the most characteristic and recognizable motor symptoms of Parkinson's disease. They usually manifest as rhythmic, involuntary shaking or trembling of the hands. AI-based systems can be trained to analyze recordings or hand drawings to identify and quantify tremors accurately. Let's see how this can work. Here is the webpage of the Parkinson's Tremor Test. Here is a brief description of what Parkinson's disease is. Here, the individual has the ability to trace the spiral. When they trace the spiral, the AI algorithm will return back if they have Parkinson's disease or not. Clearly, this individual does not have Parkinson's disease. However, when an individual with Parkinson's disease tries to trace the spiral, they might suffer from tremors in the hand. This might cause irregular lines and squiggles that might respond to the AI with something different than a person that doesn't have Parkinson's disease. For example, they might not be able to follow the lines accurately. When this input is inputted, this shows that the individual has Parkinson's disease. Now, let's look through the code that was used to build this. I used Angular for the front end, and this is the back end of my AI tool. For this, I use convoluted neural networks. CNN predicts whether a person has Parkinson's disease based on spiral drawings. The dataset is evenly distributed between healthy and Parkinson's spirals based on previously trained data. The variation in visual appearance will enable to train a computer vision or a machine learning algorithm to automatically detect Parkinson's disease. In the backend, I use TensorFlow CNN model to train and test the dataset. I then use this model to predict the spiral images I submitted from the UI. This prediction runs in the backend and gives instant results based on the pre-trained model. This is the code I use for the backend of my model. This is the main page where the canvas is located. This is where the spiral drawing is inputted and submitted by the person. The submitted image then runs in the backend model and places the results back in the UI.